Hi everyone, I'm Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review a different kind of product that I have never used in my life. Yes, I'm talking about an eyeshadow stick. This eyeshadow stick is by K Beauty and it was a very much raved about product. A lot of YouTubers were talking about this and I had that thing कि इसका एक शेड था Navigator. Like मेरे लिए blue and teals are the most beautiful colors in the world and I just always feel like buying them, so I thought why not give it a try by buying a Navigator shade, which is completely teal and navy blue, which is a beautiful color. I have it on my eyelids right now. I totally love this color, but we're gonna discuss in detail about the texture, about the longevity, and about how the product behaves on your skin, how the product enacts in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So these eyeshadow stick retail for 599 rupees for 1.6 grams of product. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this. It says K Beauty Metal Show eyeshadow stick. That's the name of the eyeshadow stick, I presume. The product comes in packaging like this. It has a beautiful pattern going on here, and the color of the stick states the color of the eyeshadow stick inside. Now it has a cap here and the product pops up here. This is a traditional pencil. It's not retractable one the way K Beauty matinee sticks were. So let me show you guys how this looks. इसको यूज़ करने के लिए यू हैव टू गेट अ बिग शार्पनर. जैसे आप लिप क्रेयॉन्स, माइका, शुगर जिससे भी आप लेते हो, वो लिप क्रेयॉन्स को शार्प करने के लिए आप जैसे शार्पनर्स यूज़ करते हैं, this is also one of them. You have to use one of it, but I am a little disappointed with the packaging क्योंकि K Beauty matinee lipsticks, they were very nice, they were retractable, but this one is a traditional pencil और sharp करने वाली चीज़. Somehow I feel it's a waste of a little bit of product. The pencils, the eyeshadow stick should always be retractable, which is a very good point that Katrina had started with the brand. Now this comes with 8 matte shades and 12 metallic shades. I only have one of them. This is in the shade Navigator. So let's see how this works. Now talking about this color Navigator, this is a beautiful teal plus blue color, and जब भी teal या navy blue, royal blue, the real royal blue color, these colors attract me a lot. And ये वाला color ऐसा है, it's like teal plus navy blue. I have it on my eyelids right now. Now I'm gonna swatch this on my hand and I'm gonna show you how the texture of this one is like. Now this is super duper creamy, super duper pigmented. I totally love this color. It's a combination of teal and blue, and this is such a beautiful color. You see this? Now that I have applied it, it will give me some 20-30 seconds to smudge it. So if you want a smudged smoky look, so this part I'm gonna smudge, and let's see. So I was able to smudge it for a while now. I'm gonna leave it for a minute, and after a while we'll again check this and smudge it and see if it is smudging or not. Now we have finished about 1.5 minutes. Let's see if this one smudges or not. I am literally rubbing this. This is not smudging. It did not budge, it did not smudge, and it's just the way it was. Now talking about the texture of these eyeshadow sticks, they are extremely buttery, they are extremely soft, they are extremely pigmented. This eyeshadow sticks is a go-to for any beginner, I must say. Those beginners who are not aware how to apply eyeshadows perfectly but want a popped bright look, bright color on your eyes, and you want them to stay on your eyes for a really long time, then let me tell you guys, this is the product that you really need for yourself, because these products are too good. These eyeshadow sticks are just bomb. they're just real bomb, let me tell you. They are amazing. These are 100% smudge proof, budge proof, sweat proof. I have very very oily eyelids. I have super duper oily eyelids, and anything on my eyes except the eyeshadows that are in a powdery form, and even for the eyeshadows I have to prime my eyes. Before that I use a primer by PAC Cosmetics, but for this one I just put concealer in my eyes and I set it with a loose powder, not very much but a little, because I wanted to see how long this goes and how long it lasts on my lids. And guess what, this lasted on me for 10 complete hours without smudging, budging. It did not crease, and I'm done a wear test on this. Let's see how it went. Now that I have shown you how it lasted on me for 10 complete hours, I can tell you guys that अगर मैं उसको 12 घंटा या 24 घंटा भी रख लेती तो I am pretty sure कि वो रह भी जाता without budging, because these are that good. You know, once you apply it, it's very creamy, or it will help you to smudge it so that you get a smoky kind of effect if you want. Let me tell you, once it sets, it will not move, it will not budge at all, and it turns into a powdery form, and that is again an excellent thing that K-Beauty has done. Let's hear what K-Beauty has to say about this product. This is made in Europe. Beautiful metallic finish, we all agree, isn't it? Unique cream to powder formula. Yes, that is what I just told you, that it is creamy initially and then it turns powdery, and that's how it lasts for a long time. It's like a gel liner, you know, that also happens like that. It's first creamy and then once it's dried down, it's completely powdery and it sets for a long time. Now, ceramide and macadamia oil for nourishment, that is awesome. Travel friendly, yes. 100% waterproof and smudge proof, I agree. Cruelty free, paraben free and dermatologically tested is awesome. So इतना सारा रिव्यूज़ पढ़ने के बाद मैंने सिर्फ एक ही स्टिक लिया था, बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, आई एम गोना बाय अ लॉट ऑफ देम because love it totally. It comes in handy if I'm in a hurry and I want to get ready in 5 minutes or something. Then this is the look that can make me look from drab to fab. So yeah, I love this eyeshadow pencils. I'm gonna buy some other colors like Jaded Glow, Amethyst and Temptation and Starry Night. So these are the 4 colors that I have added to my wish list. I had loved the way those colors pop up on eyes. So that was my short review on K-Beauty eyeshadow sticks. I hope you liked it as much as I did while filming it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.